Hello. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of using one of these little Mitre saws. So I've got a little bit of pine, a little bit of 2x1 pine, and that's just been cut with a, I don't know, handsaw or something, I'm not too sure. But you can see there it's not square, and there's a few chips out of it and all that sort of stuff. So what I'm going to do today is first of all, well, I'll just mark a square line on this bit of pine, and then I'm going to put that into this miter saw and show you how much better the cut is by using it in this miter saw. So I'll slide it in there like that. Line up the saw on that line, the saw with the pencil line. Yep. And then I'll tighten up the vise, double check the saw's still right on that line, and then I'll slowly and carefully start sawing. And because this saw is in this jig here, this miter, then you'll always get a perfect 90-degree cut every time. Just slowly and surely hold on to the other end with your left hand, not too close to the saw, of course. Okay, you have the piece of wood, and there we go. It's a nice square cut. It's a much smoother finish there on the cut, and there's no little chips or little marks in that piece of wood. And the other side's pretty good too. It's fairly close. There might be a little minor chip out there, but otherwise that's a pretty nice 90-degree cut. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now. Okay, and just as a comparison, there's the old cut, it's rough, and the new cut is nice and smooth.